Yes, people, it's my favourite time of the week. It's your favourite time of the week. It's none other than GR of the Week. The year is 2020, and guess what? We're bringing back your favourite mini-series on the Soul Supplier channel. And today, we have two pairs of the Nike Air Force One, and they are absolute bangers. One available via Foot Locker and one available via Nike. And we're going to start off with the Nike pair first. Ooh. The Nike Air Force One Utility coming in a triple white colourway. Premium tumbled leather all the way across the upper, and then we've got a nice little, don't know what we're going to say, a little rubber toe cap, and then look, just all white all the way across. Absolute banger of a sneaker, and available now for £85. Absolute bargain if you ask me. And what makes this shoe a popper is these hits of 3M coming all the way across the stripes as well as the heel counter. We all know the 2019 version of the Utility was an instant sellout, and this one is going very quick. So if you want to grab a pair, I will leave a link down in the description as per usual. I do love this shoe, but this is a madness. Oh, sorry, there we are. The Nike Air Force One once again coming in a triple white colourway, but it's not triple white, because guess what? There's a bright orange hit on the heel counter, and of course, the reimagined swoosh coming on the side panel. But then look, you seem to have lost the swoosh on the other side. It's a bit crazy. This once again comes with a premium tumbled leather all the way across the upper, but then it's countered with these nice hits of suede coming in, a nice beige on the heel counter as well as the laces and tongue. The orange swoosh really does stand out, and I'm not going to lie, this is an ultimate summer sneaker. Nice pair of white tube socks, banging pair of shorts. You are going to be looking good all summer long. These are available via Foot Locker for £85, and as per usual, I will leave a link down in the description. If you're hoping to cop a pair of these, they are sitting at the moment, but these ones are selling out quickly, but these ones are a bit more readily available, and I'm not going to lie, they're an absolute popper. Go half a size down as per usual with Air Force Ones, and if you cop in to flip, there's no resale in these. These ones are just there to be worn, so just wear your goddamn sneakers. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the GR of the Week, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive GR of the Week. You need to stop saying GR of the Week. I think you know the name of the series by now. See ya!